Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to restart update service on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to open your start or search menu and type over here Services.msc. So I will give you this command on my video description. After that press enter or click on the services app, and after services, open services app, you have to find the service called Windows Update Service. So here it is, as you can see. So right now, as you can see, it is stopped. As you can see, it's not running. So I will click on start. So if you want to restart it, you just need to right click and click on restart from here. So from here you can start, stop or restart the service. After that, close this window. So I will show you another method by which you can restart your services. For that, you just need to just go to your start or search menu, type over here CMD. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that, click on yes. Now after open command prompt window, you just need to type some command over here, which I'll give you on my video description. So here is the command. So copy all the command from here and copy and just right click on your command prompt and it will restart your update service. So you have to wait for a few seconds or minutes. After that, you just need to restart your PC and it will restart your update service. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.